guys, this is Nelson from Short Run Pro. We're at IWF 2022. Last day of the show. We're about an hour and a half from closing. We've had a great time here. Number of visitors, especially on Wednesday and Thursday. Want to hit some highlights. As you guys know, American-made support solution. We're seeing kitchen countertops, overhangs becoming more and more popular. A lot of floating shelves, vanity applications. Hit some of the highlights as we walk through the booth. So we've got our display with the support brackets, both above as well as below. Had a lot of interest in the mantle supports. It's pretty cool. Number of different finishes, different capacities based on the design with the gusset. We've got some floating shelves, some of the actual shelves down below. We talked about Federal Brace on a broader scale as part of the Short Run Pro family of products, which include OVO, the Killarney spill containment pans. We also took a step and talked about Might and what that charity is and how all of these brands support it, which we're very proud of. One of the core pillars of Short Run Pro and Federal Brace. We're going to look at some of the surface mount solutions. So as you guys know, we're very big in floating shelving. We have the two versions, the low profile as well as the taller profile. The low profile with the 50-pound capacity. We had a lot of conversations about both, based on design. Our vanity supports, the ADA support, as well as the standard. A lot of conversations about these with kitchen and baths and commercial mill workers that get into the hospitals, hospitality, different industries. Our universal 3-tier shelf system, big trend with open concept in residential interiors, whether it's closets, living spaces, kitchens, of course. There's a lot of opportunities there with and without our teak shelves. One big hit that we're introducing in the near future is our mantle floating shelf. This is a very well engineered product, made it as affordable as we can due to scrap minimalization. So we also sell the box. Customer can, the fabricator can make their own box, or we can certainly do it for them. So overall, it's been a great show. Met a lot of good folks. Look forward to doing business. As you guys know, this is all American made with American steel, the raw material. We do all of this in North Carolina. We look forward to talking to you further. Thank you for being here, and have a good rest of the year. See you soon.